everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started a discussion of quadratic equations in our previous sessions. We discussed what is factorization method, completing square method and the formula method, right? We solved a few word problems and different situations also, right? Today we are going to solve few more word problems of quadratic equation, okay? Now see here, the question given here it is, see here, whenever you try to solve a solution of an equation, you will always get this basic problems, that is the difference or sum of areas or difference or sum of consecutive numbers, train ka speed, train ka distance, right, or ages ka sum. Okay, these are the basic kinds of questions. We have solved the same kinds of problems in pair of linear equation, and here also we are solving most of the same questions, right, but we will have different kind of condition. Clear? अब देखो इधर क्या है, try to understand this question. This is a typical question to understand. A train travels 360 kilometers. Train 360 kilometer travel हो रहा. If speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, speed 5 kilometer per hour increase किए तो उसका टाइम 1 hour कम बनेगा. ओके, एक बार टेबल बनाएंगे. देखो, लेट अस ड्रॉ फॉर टू कंडीशंस, स्पीड, डिस्टेंस, टाइम. अब देखो इधर, स्पीड इनिशियली x, let us take. Okay, distance is constant 360 kilometer, 360 kilometer. Okay, टाइम t लेंगे हम. ओके, अब देखो इधर, स्पीड 5 किलोमीटर इंक्रीज हुआ तो टाइम क्या होगा, टाइम 1 hour कम पड़ेगा, दैट इज t minus 1. इज इट क्लियर? समझ में आ रहा ना? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड क्लियरली. दैट इज द डिस्टेंस इज फिक्स्ड फॉर बोथ द केसेस. ही इज टेलिंग दैट इफ स्पीड इज 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर मोर, स्पीड 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर इंक्रीज हुआ तो टाइम 1 hour लेस बनेगा. पहला कंडीशन क्या था, x स्पीड और टाइम t, राइट. x प्लस 5 बने तो t minus 1 बनेगा. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट ओके? देन ही इज आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन. दैट्स इट, दैट इज अ कंडीशन. फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या है, स्पीड x इज इक्वल टू 360 बाई t. सेकेंड कंडीशन क्या है, x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 360 बाई t माइनस 1. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है हमको, फाइंड स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन एच. स्पीड बोले तो क्या, स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन इज x. यू राइट द असम्पशंस, लेट स्पीड ऑफ अ ट्रेन बी x एंड टाइम बी t. ओके, फाइन. अब देखो इधर, इसमें से t को एलिमिनेट कर देना. t इज इक्वल टू 360 बाई x. ओके, अब देखो ये t माइनस 1 को इधर भेजेंगे, क्या होगा, x प्लस 5 इंटू टी माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 360. t क्या है इधर, t इज 360 बाई x माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 360. समझ में आ रहा ना? इज इट क्लियर? अब देखो इधर, दे आस्क्ड अस टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट considering this t, we are eliminating t. In order to eliminate t, I have taken t is equal to 360 by x. If I substitute in this, I will get it as x plus 5. Instead of t, I wrote it as 360 by x minus 1. Clear? From here again the normal simplification. समझ में आ रहा ना? The only thing is, वैसा टेबल बनाए तो आपको भी easy लगेगा. Okay? Shall we substitute? I mean, shall we simplify? Now see here. x plus 5 into LCM is x. 360 minus x is equal to 360. x plus 5 into 360 minus x is equal to 360 x. ये x को उधर साइड भेजेंगे, राइट. प्रीवियस सम्स में इधर x को मल्टीप्लाई किए, इधर क्यों नहीं कर रहे, बिकॉज उधर प्लस था और इधर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इजंट इट? फाइन. अब एक एक टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करके फैक्टराइज किया तो खत्म. देखो इधर, 360x minus x square plus 36 5s are 1800 minus 5x is equal to 360x. Okay, ये सबको right side भेजेंगे. Why only right side? Because x square is negative here. Let us take everything to right side. What it will become? Plus x square plus 360x minus 360x plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. 360 will get cancelled. I will get it as x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. If you are that efficient in solving by factorization method, you can solve after finding the factors of 1800. If not, let us directly substitute in the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b बोले तो minus 5 plus or minus 5 का square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1800 divided by 2 into 1. Is it clear? Minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus into minus plus 18 4 सा क्या होगा? 18 4 सा 7200 divided by 2. 7225 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? बोलो अब 7225 का स्क्वायर रूट बोलो 85, राइट. दैट इज minus 5 plus or minus 85 by 2. दो कंडीशंस, 85 minus 5 is 80 by 2 or minus 5 minus 85, that is minus 90 by 2, that will be 40 or minus 45. Can speed be negative? Obviously no. Therefore, the speed of my train is 40 kilometer per hour. समझ में आ गया? Is it clear? Fine. Once again, let's see here. He is telling that the train travels 360 kilometer at uniform speed. Let the uniform speed be x. If the speed is increased 5 kilometers per hour more, speed is x plus 5, right? Then it would taken 1 hour less if initial time is t, right? In the second case, it will be t minus 1. Then he is asking to find the speed of train x. Okay, that's why I took the first condition from this. I got x is equal to 360 by t. From this I wrote t is equal to 360 by x. और इधर x plus 5 equal to 360 by t minus 1. ये t में ये 360 by x सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सिंप्लीफाई किया तो मुझे ये इक्वेशन मिल गया और इसको क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो x का वैल्यू 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Clear? Did you understand? Fine. See the next question here. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. दोनों टैप, अब देखो इधर एक टैंक है, इधर ये एक छोटा सा टैप, ये एक बड़ा टैप, right? This small tap and this big tap, they together fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. A tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than smaller one. This pipe will take 10 hours less than this smaller one. Let us assume the smaller as x. Then this will take x minus 10 hour. Okay. Then he is asking us to find the time in which each tap fill separately. That's it. Is it okay? Now see here. Let smaller pipe time be x hour. Okay, that is it will take x hours to fill the pipe. Then obviously in 1 hour how much will it fill? 1 by x, right? It will take x hours to fill the whole tank, which means 1 घंटा में कितने fill होगा? 1 by x. Okay, next, obviously larger pipe time will be x minus 10 hours. बोले तो 1 घंटा में x minus पार्ट फिल करेगा. ओके, इज इट ओके? बोले तो ये दोनों टाइम को मिलाए तो 9 3/8 टाइम्स लगेगा. Did you understand? This tank alone, it will take 1 by x. It will take x hours to fill this whole tank. and this pipe will take x minus 10 hours to fill whole tank. Okay, which means this in 1 hour it will fill 1 by x part, and in 1 hour it will fill x minus 10 of part. Therefore दोनों पाइप को मिला के 9 3/8 hours बनेगा, right? As if we have did like this, both pipes time is 9 3/8. What is it? 8 9 is 72 plus 3 is 75/8. Then obviously in 1 hour it will be 8 by 75 hour. I mean 8 by 75th of a part. Is it clear? Which means this plus this is equal to this, right? That is 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. Let us take LCM. This will become x into x minus 10. This will become x minus 10 plus x is equal to 8 by 75. That is 2x minus 10 into 75 is equal to 8x into x minus 10. Let us multiply it. This will be 75 2s are 150x minus 750, that is equal to 8x square minus 80x. Clear? Did you understand? Let us bring everything together. What it will become? 8x square. Here it is. Minus 80x is already there. Let us bring this 150x and plus 750. Is it right? अब देखो इधर 8x square 150 plus 80 कितना 230x plus 750 equal to 0. अब इसको factors कहना कैसा? Before solving it, check whether do we get any common terms. We can take 2 as common, right? 2 common लिए तो 4x square minus 115x plus this is 375 equal to 0. That will be 4x square minus 115x plus 375 is equal to 0. 4 into 375 is 375 double is 750, 750 double is 150. I mean 1500. 1500 so square root, how much is it? 1500 factors 25 into 75. Can we get it? No, we are not getting. Or else 75 and 50. Can we? 1500, 15 into 100, right? Yes, we are getting minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 equal to 0. That is, if I take 4x common here, I will get it as x minus 25. If I get it as minus 15x common, I will get it as x minus 25 equal to 0. Therefore, I will get the values as x minus 25 and 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 15 by 4. Where is it? That is the smaller pipe itself. Okay. Then the larger pipe will be x minus 10. X minus 10 is 25 minus 10 is 15. If I do it here, x minus 10 is 15 by 4 minus 10, that is 15 minus 40 minus 25 by 4. Is it possible? No, this is not possible. Therefore, speeds of larger and smaller pipe is larger speed is 25 and smaller speed is 15, right? 15, how much is it? Some per hour. Okay, since nothing is given, we can do like this. Is it clear? Is it okay for this sum? Clear. Let us move on to the next topic. Now see here, the next topic is nature of roots. What do you mean by the term nature? We know that for a quadratic equation we will have two roots. What kind of roots are those? Whether they are equal, real, not equal or whatever, right? Which is going to decide? That is being decided by a particular parameter called as discriminant. Discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. This is usually denoted by either capital D or delta. Based on the textbooks, most of the people vary either delta or d. From where did this b square minus 4ac come? That is from the formula, that is minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Isn't it? This b square minus 4ac is based on that. This might be negative or positive or whatever. If it is negative, what will be the roots become? The roots will be non-real roots, because there will not be any negative number in the square root. Okay, that is, if this discriminant, let us say if this d, if it is greater than 0, then roots are real. Okay, if this discriminant is less than 0, obviously roots are non-real. Clear? And one more condition, that is, if they are equal to 0, the roots are equal. Okay, if this term is equal to 0, then the roots are equal and real, obviously real. Why? Because they will be left with only b and 2a. Clear? Once again, देखो इधर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट बोल के एक पैरामीटर है, राइट? ये डिस्क्रिमिनेंट के पैरामीटर यूज़ करके हमको ये रूट्स का इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, वेदर रूट्स रियल रूट से या नॉन रियल रूट से या इक्वल है. ओके, अब देखो ये डिस्क्रिमिनेंट क्या है? डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. ओके, ये बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है तो दैट इज 0 से ज़्यादा है तो वो रूट्स रियल है. ओके, वो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट लेस देन 0 है तो बोले तो नेगेटिव है तो रूट्स आर नॉन रियल. ओके, ये डिस्क्रिमिनेंट 0 है तो रूट्स आर इक्वल. शैल वी चेक विद दैट एग्जाम्पल. अब देखो इधर, लेट अस कंपेयर विद ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल टू 0. a का वैल्यू क्या है इधर? 2, b का वैल्यू -3, c का वैल्यू 3. अब क्या करना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना. बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, दैट इज -3 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू a इंटू c, दैट इज 9 माइनस 4 टू 8, 8 3 24, दैट इज 9 माइनस 24 कितना? -15. Is -15 less than 0 or greater than 0? This is less than 0. Therefore, roots are non-real. Is it clear? Did you understand? Which means it clearly tells that root doesn't exist. Okay, you can even write like that also. Is it clear? Did you understand? Shall we do a few problems based on this? Let's do. अब देखो इधर ये इक्वेशन को चेक करेंगे. व्हाट आर द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स? क्या है इधर? ax स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी. अब क्या करना? डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड आउट करना. बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. बी वैल्यू क्या है इधर? -4√3 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू ए वैल्यू 3 और सी वैल्यू 4. ओके, 4√3 स्क्वायर, 4 स्क्वायर इज 16. √3 का स्क्वायर क्या है? 3. इधर 4 3 are 16 into 4. Okay, sorry, 4 3 are 12 into 4. अब देखो 16 3 are 48, 12 4 are 48. सब्ट्रैक्ट किए तो 0. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट 0 है तो रूल क्या है? रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल. Is it okay? Shall we do one more important 2 marks question? I already told, wherever you find k, find a, this kind of questions are damn sure important question. Okay, कभी ये find k, find a बोले तो वो question कभी भी important ही रहता, right? pair of straight lines में वो pair of linear equation वो सही first exercise का question. Find k if two equations are parallel intersecting, right? इधर भी वैसा ही question है. अब देखो इधर 2x square plus kx plus 3 equation दिया है. He is asking us to find k if these equations have equal roots. Equal roots बोले तो कंडीशन क्या है? b square minus 4ac equal 0. कंडीशन मालूम है, इसमें से k वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना. ओके, अब देखो इधर गिवन d is equal 0 बोले तो b square minus 4ac equal 0. b क्या है इधर? k square. 4 इंटू a क्या है? 2. c क्या है? 3. ओके, इट्स सो सिंपल. k square minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24 equal to 0. Okay, अब k square my equal to 24, k is equal to root 24. 24 को कैसा रूट्स सॉल्व करेंगे? 24 को 4 into 6 लिख लेंगे. Square root of 4 is 2 root 6, which is nothing but k is plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay, क्या किए हम? इक्वल रूट्स है तो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का वैल्यू 0. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का फॉर्मूला b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू 0. b क्या है? k, a 2, c is 3. ओके, k स्क्वायर माइनस 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24 is equal to 0. दैट इज k स्क्वायर इक्वल 24, k इक्वल टू रूट 24. रूट 24 बोले तो 4 into 6 6 करते हैं क्या? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 is 2 root 6. Clear? Let us solve it. If you see here, is this equation is in the quadratic form? No, right? So first of all we have to multiply this. क्या होगा? kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. आ गया ना इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में? ओके, इक्वल रूट्स दिए तो कंडीशन क्या है? d is equal to 0 बोले तो b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac is equal to 0. b का वैल्यू minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. Minus का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर 4k स्क्वायर माइनस 4 6 24k is equal to 0. कैसा सॉल्व करेंगे इसको? कुछ कॉमन ले सकते क्या ये दोनों टर्म में से? देखो इधर 4k कॉमन ले सकते क्या? यस, इधर k बचेगा और इधर 6. Either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, here k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. समझ में आ गया ना? Clear? Once again I am telling these are the most important questions of the whole chapter. Clear? Did you understand? You can find more examples in your textbook and you can find other examples in other kind of textbooks. Clear? Fine. By this problem we have ended the chapter, that is quadratic equations. Clear? Fine. What all we studied? We started with the basic definition of quadratic equation. First of all, to identify the quadratic equation. Then we learned how to solve the quadratic equation using factorization method. We solved a few word problems of that. Then we discussed about what is a different method such as that is completing square method. We solved a problem on that. Then we learned quadratic formula method, right? For that we used different word problems, right? In different word problems we used that quadratic formula to solve it. Then we learned about the nature of roots, right? When if d is greater than 0, d is less than 0, d equal to 0, about the discriminant, right? Clear? Fine. These are the different basic concepts of mathematics which are discussed in our 10th class in our quadratic equations chapter. Clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with a new chapter of 10th class. Thank you.